Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, looks like it's a red day today. Let's start off with the top 100 crypto bubbles. Nothing but sea of red, guys. I only see one green bubble, and that's Move with the ticker MOVE. And I guess that's because Move, it just got listed on Coinbase today, so it's probably having a nice pump because of the listing on Coinbase, guys. So yeah, check out Move. It might do good. It seems to be the only one pumping right now. It started off right around 59 cents today when it got listed on Coinbase, and it's already done like almost like basically almost a 100% move, right under a 100% move. It's around $1.11 at the time of recording right now, guys. So it's up 65% for the day. But it's almost at a 100% move when it got listed around 59.61 cents earlier today on Coinbase, guys. So yeah, definitely check out Move. It's the only one moving against the market, but everything else is red. All our favorite cryptocurrencies is red. Don't get shaken out, guys. This is just what the market maker does. It's probably one last shakeout before the big pump. So don't get shaken out, guys. Right now, it's not the time to be bearish. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line. We are going to have corrections. This happens, around 7 or 8 times in the parabolic phase of the crypto cycle. And right now, we are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So this is going to happen many and several times, guys. From now until the top of the bull run, whenever it may come, either it comes sometime in March or April or in September 2025. We're gonna see this happen all the time, guys. We're gonna pump hard, but then we're gonna correct hard, and we're gonna consolidate. Pump hard, crash hard, consolidate. We're gonna pump again hard, crash hard again, consolidate, and then pump again. So this is gonna happen like around 7 to 8 times from now until the top of the bull run, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. This is normal on in the parabolic phase of the crypto cycle. If you've never if you're new to crypto and you haven't seen this, don't get fearful, don't get shaken out, guys. This is just part of the normal parabolic phase cycle, guys. So in this video, we're gonna go over Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy, and Floki. Got some news on Floki, but let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin is doing. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $96,000. Bitcoin hasn't corrected that hard like the altcoins. The yesterday Bitcoin closed at 97,000, so it's a pretty good close. It's still pretty bullish. It did get as low as 94,220 yesterday on a wick. It just wicked down to 94,220, but it ended up closing the December 9 trading day at 97,000. So that's still pretty bullish. I mean, like I've been saying in all my videos, Bitcoin's just been going sideways between like 90,000 and 100,000. For the last, let's count how many days it's been doing that. Starting right here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is a 21 day, basically 3 weeks that Bitcoin has been consolidating between 90,000 and 100K. So this is what Bitcoin does. It pumps hard and then it consolidates and then it goes in the next leg up. This is what it does in the parabolic bull run phase. So basically, I expect Bitcoin to pump hard to the upside here pretty soon, guys. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know if it's going to be later tonight or tomorrow, but I know it will be soon. I don't think we'll go under 90K, guys. We have a lot of support under 90K, and it's just not the time to be bearish, guys. The time to be bearish was in November in 2022, in 2022. That's when when the Bitcoin bear and crypto bear market was. That's when that was the time to be bearish, guys. But ever since 2023, 2024 has been bullish for Bitcoin in general. I mean, we consolidate, for a long time, and then we go up, and we have corrections along the way. But basically, the way the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin works is, we have 1 year bear market and we have 3 years to the upside, guys. So the 1 year downside, the 1 year bear market was all of 2022. and it bottomed out in November 2022, and ever since then we've been basically trending up. We've gone up all of 2023, we gone up all of 2024, of course with corrections. Nothing moves up in a straight line. And we've consolidated. We made that local top of on March 2024 at 73,600, and then we consolidated 8 months before we broke the all-time high of 73,600, and we just broke it on November 6th. And then for like 3 weeks we ran hard all the way up to 104,000, 104,000 basically. For about actually it was more than 3 weeks. It was about 4 weeks. We ran hard all the way up to 104,000, which we made on December 5th. So about like 29 days. So about 4 weeks. And now we've been consolidating since we made that local top for 3, 4, 5 days. So this is normal for Bitcoin, guys. Don't get shaken out. Right now it's the time to be bearish. Don't let the market maker make you sell your coins out of fear. Don't listen to the FUD out there. There's a lot of bears out there saying that we're not gonna we're not gonna make higher prices, that we're gonna go into a bear market soon. But I don't think that's the case, guys. I mean, history usually repeats, and I do believe history is repeating. The data shows that that the history of Bitcoin is that it has a 4-year cycle, and and this is the parabolic phase of the Bitcoin and crypto cycle, guys. And usually history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes, and we're definitely rhyming. We're definitely moving to the upside. So right now it's not the time to be bearish, guys. We're basically on the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I do believe the shakeout for Bitcoin and the altcoins right now is just to shake everybody out. It's like one final shakeout before a big parabolic move to the upside, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. If anything, right now is the time to buy the dip. If you have any dry powder, again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose. That's what I do, at least. I do my own research and I only invest in the markets when I'm willing to lose. But right now, what I'm doing with any little dry powder I get, I'm buying the dips. So right now is the perfect time to buy the dip. As you saw, it's a sea of red on the altcoins. So right now it's the perfect time to buy your favorite altcoin, guys. So yeah, for Bitcoin, just like I've been saying all in my videos, it's about the same. I do think it's going to keep consolidating somewhere between 90K and 100,000. It's just going to keep ranging between 90K and 100K. It's been doing that for 3 weeks. But don't let it lullaby you to sleep. Don't get bored. This is when the money is made. Right now is the time to buy the dip, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, because I do believe we're gonna go up here pretty soon, parabolic. I don't believe Bitcoin is gonna have a 30% correction. I don't think Bitcoin's gonna have a deep correction anytime soon. I do believe before it has that 30% correction, it is gonna get above 100K, and it's gonna get around 120K and 140K. I think that's my next target for Bitcoin, is around 120K and 140K. Once it gets to 120K, a price range between 120K and 140K, then I see a 30% correction coming in for Bitcoin. It doesn't mean it's going to be the final bull run top. It's just going to be the first 30% correction or so for Bitcoin. It might be a 25% correction. It might be a 35% correction. But on the last cycle, on previous cycles, on previous parabolic bull run phase cycles, Bitcoin averages about a 30% correction. It could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more, but right now it's just been going up. The biggest correction it's had is that 12% correction when it got to 104K, and then it quickly dipped down to 92K. It was about a 12% correction, but then it quickly recovered. It was just like a quick dip. It was like a big liquidation ritual where basically liquidated all the leverage, all the leverage shorts and the leverage longs. That's why right now it's not a good time, to play with leverage, because in the parabolic phase of Bitcoin and cryptos, they're very volatile. As you guys can see, they move up really hard to the upside, and then they correct really hard to the downside. So that's all that's going on right now. just a lot of leverage liquidations. People that were leveraging, their favorite altcoins, they're getting liquidated because they didn't think, they just thought, if they're not experienced, they just thought there's gonna be a lot more upside, but they had these quick dips to the downside, these quick wicks to the downside on your favorite altcoin and Bitcoin. That way, the leverage traders, they get liquidated and they lose out, they lose their money. That's why right now I don't play with leverage. I play with leverage mostly like on the bear market or before the parabolic phase, but I don't play with it right now because I know all the moves to the upside and the downside are very volatile. But in general, we are going to make higher prices. I am very bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies from now until March of 2025. I see nothing but higher prices from now until March or April of 2025. Now, sometime in March or April of 2025, I do see bearish signals from studying the charts, and I do see a heavy correction coming in for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies sometime in March or April 2025. And more than a 50% correction. Right now your favorite altcoins, they're correcting hard, but they're gonna correct just as hard or harder once March of 2025 comes. So yeah, guys, my next price target for Bitcoin is once it breaks through 100,000 K and and makes a base. Once it stays above 100K, my next price target is 110. And then once it breaks 110, it'll quickly get to somewhere between 120K and 140K, and then that's when I see a big correction coming in for Bitcoin. The first big correction for Bitcoin in this parabolic phase of the Bitcoin bull run, and I see it roughly averaging that correction to average about a 30% correction. So let's just say it gets to like 145,000 at the local top. Then Bitcoin will correct somewhere down to like around 100,000. So that's how I see Bitcoin panning out. It'll probably run break 100,000, and then it'll make a local top somewhere around above 120K, maybe around 140K, and then it'll do a 30% correction, guys. So guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin. Right now it's not the time to be bearish. Don't let the market maker shake you out. This is just normal for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on the parabolic phase of the crypto cycle, guys. So let's get right into XRP, guys. See what XRP is doing. The current price of XRP at the time of recording is $2.12. Like we know, all the altcoins are correcting right now. It's just normal, guys. They're just trying to shake you out. But look at this massive move that XRP had. Don't get bearish. It did wick down all the way down to $1.95. But look, it was just a quick wick, and then it quickly recovered. We're above $2 already. Right now current price is $2.12. We're already on the December 10th trading day. On the trading day, the local low for this trading day is $2.04. But yesterday, even though it wicked down yesterday to $1.95, we did manage to close at $2.12 for the day. So everything's still looking bullish, guys. We're still making higher highs and higher lows. So we made a new higher low. Now the local higher low for XRP is $1.95. So now we just gotta stay above this higher low of $1.95, and everything should be good. I don't think we'll make any any more lows than $1.95. That's pretty much from the local top of $2.90 to $1.90. That's like a 33% correction. So basically, we've done a 33% correction for XRP, and that's about average too. On the parabolic phase for altcoins. The average correction is about 30%. Now the big correction I see coming in on March or April 2025, that's when I see like a 50% or more or greater correction coming in for altcoins. But right now, they're doing their their normal 33% corrections. Some do more than others, but this is normal for the altcoins on the parabolic phase, guys. So don't get shaken out. XRP just did its normal 33% correction. And it's got to do its correction to shake out all the weak hands, That's what the market maker loves to do. But now it's just going to consolidate probably another day or two or three, and then it's going to go on its next leg up, guys. I do see more upside coming for XRP. I don't think this is the end of the bull run for XRP or for cryptocurrencies. This is just a market maker shaking out all the weak hands, guys. So stay bullish on XRP, guys. I don't see the bear market coming in. I don't see the bull run being over for XRP. This is just like a normal 33% correction that it had from the local top of $2.90 all the way down to $1.95. It's just normal, guys. If you've never been through parabolic bull run phase, this is just normal. This is what the altcoins do, guys. They go up hard. I mean, look how many percentage it went up. It went up from 49 cents, 50 cents on the election day, December 5th, and it basically did like a 6x all the way to $2.90. And now it's got to correct. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line forever. So they gotta correct. It did a 33% correction, just shaking everybody out, getting all the weekends out. It's probably going to consolidate, maybe a few more days, maybe even up to a week. We'll see how long it consolidates. But I wouldn't be selling my XRP and thinking that the XRP bull run is over, guys. It'll probably consolidate another day or two or three, and then it'll move up to the upside and get ready for the next leg up. And my next price target for XRP is around $3.50. Like I've said in my previous videos, $3. That's my next price target of $3.50. Is a good one because it's the previous all-time high for XRP, and I do see a lot of resistance coming in at $3.50. A lot of people bought the top in 2017 when everybody was bullish on XRP. Everybody was buying the hype, and a lot of people bought the top at $3.50. And so there's probably going to be a lot of selling going on when it gets to $3.50. But once we finally break $3.50, we'll have basically blue skies for XRP, and I do think it'll quickly do a moonshot to about $6 to $7 once it breaks that wall of $3.50, guys. But right now, stay bullish on XRP. Don't get shaken out. Don't get bearish on XRP. This is just a market maker shaking all the weekends out, guys. So yeah, guys, just to summarize, my next price target for XRP is $3.50 once it starts trending up again, guys. Alright, guys, let's get right into the XLM update, see what XLM is doing. So the XLM price at the time of recording right now is 39 cents. Same thing as XRP. I mean, just getting all the weekends out. The market maker shaking out all the weekends. XLM did wick as low as 35 cents yesterday, but it did close at 41 cents, which is basically the previous low. So everything's still looking bullish for XLM. Don't be shaken out. I mean, we're just making a higher low. So the new higher low for XLM, the new daily higher low for XLM is 35 cents, but that's normal. I mean, from the bear market, from the top, from the local top of 63 cents all the way down to the 35 cents. That's about like a 35 to 40% correction, right around there. So it's normal. Like I said, for altcoins, some correct harder than others. XRP is done like a 33% correction, and XLM is doing like a 35% correction. XLM is doing a little harder correction than XRP. But don't let that shake you out, guys. I don't see anything bearish on XLM. The chart still looks bullish. Like I said, nothing goes up in a straight line. There's got to be corrections along the ways. So just remain bullish on XLM, guys. It has been consolidating for 3, 4, 5, 16 days. Because I remember yesterday I counted and it was 15 days. So now we're in the 16th day of consolidation. So we just gotta wait and see how long XLM is gonna consolidate underneath the current local top of 630 cents before it starts to move up again, guys. But since it has been consolidating about over 2 weeks already, 16 days to the day right now, I do expect XLM, to probably start moving up pretty soon, guys. And they usually consolidate, somewhere between 2 to 3 weeks before they start moving up. So definitely, within it could be tomorrow, the next day, or definitely within a week. I do see XLM, moving to higher prices in 63 cents. My next price target is 73 cents, but I think it'll quickly pass 73 cents. And then after it breaks to 73 cents, my next price target is going to be 93 cents. And the 93 cents is the current all-time high of XLM. XLM made that current all-time high in 2017. So there'll probably be a lot of resistance at 93 cents and 93 cents. So I do expect a lot of selling at 93 cents. But once it manages to break 93 cents, I do see XLM being at least $1 by the end of the year, guys. I do expect the Christmas rally and the New Year rally for Bitcoin and all altcoins. So I do expect the Christmas and New Year rally for Bitcoin and altcoins, guys. So we might be consolidating here for Bitcoin and altcoins for like a few days or a week. But I do think definitely once the holidays kick in, once we get close to Christmas, I do see a Christmas and a New Year rally coming in for XLM, guys. So remain bullish on XLM, guys. We did close yesterday above right at 41 cents. So that was the previous low. So everything's looking good, guys. Hopefully we'll close this new trading day of December 10 above 41 cents, and that'll remain the bullish structure, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. I think it's just a quick dip. We might even have a V-shaped recovery. We might start recovering quicker than expected, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. Even if we don't recover, in a day or two, don't get shaken out. It doesn't mean the bull run is over for XLM or the bull run is over for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. This is just normal, corrections that happen in the crypto world, guys. Especially right now in the beginning phases, the parabolic phase of the bull run for crypto and Bitcoin, guys. So remain bullish on XLM, guys. Again, my next price target is 73 cents for XLM, and once it breaks 73 cents, I quickly see it going to 93 cents, and I do see a little bit of resistance at 93 cents. And then once it does break 93 cents, I do see it getting to at least $1, and I do believe XLM will be at least $1 by the end of the year, guys. So stay bullish on XLM, guys. Alright, guys, let's get into the Jasmy update, see what Jasmy is doing. Alright, just waiting for the computer. So the current price of Jasmy is 0.04 cents. Same thing with Jasmy, just like all altcoins, guys. They're just doing corrections, trying to shake everybody out. We did dip as low as 0.35 cents for Jasmy, but that was just a quick dip. It did end up closing above 0.42. It did end up closing at 0.4237. And right now we're at 0.406. So we're basically at 4 cents, guys. And like I said, guys, we have a lot of support at 4 cents for Jasmy, guys. So as long as we keep closing above 4 cents on daily closes, we should be okay. We just don't want to turn 4 cents into resistance. As long as that doesn't happen, we should be okay. And I don't think it will. I think basically it's just tapping daily closes at 4 cents. That's what it does. It likes to come back down to support. It moves hard, but then they like to correct hard and correct back to support. So we closed about 4 cents. So as long as we close this trading day of December 10 about 4 cents, everything's still bullish for Jasmy, guys. So don't get shaken out on Jasmy, guys. Just a market maker trying to shake out all the weak hands, all the free flow people, guys. This is normal for the crypto world, guys. Right now is the perfect time to buy the dip, guys. Just like Warren Buffett says, you gotta buy the red, you gotta buy the blood in the street. And right now it's definitely a lot of red, a lot of blood in the crypto world right now, guys. So all your favorite altcoins are in the red. So it's like a red tag sale, guys. If you have any dry powder, right now would be the time to buy the dip, and get into your favorite cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, guys. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only buy, only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So yeah, guys, Jasmy's still gonna do really good, guys. I believe Binance, just bought like more Jasmy coins. They just bought like another 300 million on Jasmy. I think and before that, Binance, a few days ago they bought like 800 million Jasmy. So it looks like Binance is ready to promote Jasmy, guys. I don't know if you guys know or not, but Jasmy for a while now has been in the Binance innovation mode, innovation in the, I mean, not in the innovation, in the monitoring zone. Binance has a monitoring zone where basically, they monitor coins to see if they want to delist them. A lot of people have been fighting Jasmy that Binance is going to delist them, for the last few months, but that hasn't happened. And with all these news of Binance buying more Jasmy, why are they going to delist it if they're buying more Jasmy? So what I'm thinking is that Binance is getting ready to to approve Jasmy even more. They're gonna put it, they're gonna take it out of the monitoring zone. So that's gonna be like a nice good news for Jasmy. So it's probably gonna make it pump, guys. So I do expect that to happen anytime soon. Could be by the end of the year, maybe the beginning of the year. So when that happens, once Binance takes Jasmy out of the monitoring zone, I do see a big pump coming in for Jasmy. So definitely stay bullish on Jasmy, guys. A lot of things going for it. I've already told you guys in previous videos, I'm very bullish on Jasmy. It's got the ex-Sony executives running Jasmy now. You know what those ex-Sony executives did for the Sony brand. They made Sony what it is today. So I do believe they're going to be successful with Jasmy. They know how to promote a product. They're successful in everything they do. So definitely, I'm very bullish on Jasmy, guys. And also, Jasmy is called the Bitcoin of Japan. And Jasmy is the only crypto in Japan that has clarity. So all the Japanese are going to be putting their money into Jasmy for sure, or at least a large portion of it. So definitely, the Japanese, they're always they're innovators. They're always they always have new technology that comes out, and that's what I think Jasmy is. Jasmy is going to have a new technology. They're like dipping their toes in like all the fields, in the medical field, in the robotic fields, in the Internet of Data fields, in the AI narrative field. So Jasmy's got their feet dipped in every in a lot of parts of the markets out there. A lot of bullish things right now for Jasmy, guys. So definitely remain bullish on Jasmy. I am very bullish on Jasmy. I do believe we'll stay above 4 cents. We might wick below it, but like it won't last. It'll just be like a quick dip, a few hours, like it was yesterday, the trading day. It was today, because here in the U.S. it was still on December 9th, but the December 9th trading day passed. We're already 3.5 hours into the December 10th trading day. So definitely, I do believe Jasmy will close above 4 cents. And I wouldn't be surprised if the Bitcoin and the crypto market start recovering sometime tonight or tomorrow. And this bear trap, I'm calling this a bear trap. It's going to be over here within tomorrow or the next day, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. It might just be a quick shakeout before a quick move to the outside, a big move to the upside, guys. So don't let the market maker shake you out, guys, because I do believe a big move to the upside is coming soon, guys. Right now it's a perfect time to buy the dip, guys. So don't get shaken out on Jasmy, guys. And my next price target for Jasmy, once it breaks 6 cents, which is the current local top. Once it breaks 6 cents, the current local top, the next price target for Jasmy is 8 to 10 cents. And once it breaks 8 to 10 cents, it's basically blue skies from there. There's no resistance, no volume selling after 10 cents, guys. So the sky's the limit. It could quickly go all the way up to 20 cents once it breaks 10 cents, guys. So definitely remain bullish on Jasmy, guys. Now, guys, I wanted to share some cool news about Floki. I'm very bullish on Floki too, the people's crypto. Look into Floki if you like meme coins. I know Floki's already gone up a lot. Floki's already if you would have bought Floki when it was at 702 in August 2021, you'd be a millionaire by now, because it's already gone up. Let's see, it's gone up over 1,000,000%. So basically, it's done over like let me see, like 11,000x. So if you would have put in, like like $100, you'd be a millionaire or more. So definitely, I'm very bullish on Floki, even though it's already moonshotted. I mean, it's got a big community, and it's it's got a lot of things going for it. It's got Valhalla, it's got games on it, and now it looks like Floki, it partnered up with Mastercard, and it's launching a 13 crypto debit card in Europe. So it looks like Floki and Mastercard have introduced a debit card that will be available in a physical and virtual form in 31 European countries. This card supports 8 blockchains and can be funded with Floki and other cryptocurrencies. A Floki debit card can be issued in 31 countries that correspond to the European Union and European Free Trade Association member states. Virtual gift cards are available worldwide. The cards are issued in conjunction with MasterCard and can be used wherever Visa and MasterCard are accepted. There are no transaction fees, but the top-up charge is 2%. There's also a one-time setup fees. It has a 5,000 Tether USDT daily limit. So basically, it has a $5,000 daily limit. So this card can be funded with Floki Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether coins, USDT, Europe, EURT, XAUT. It could also be funded with Circle, USDC, BNB, Solana, Dogs, Hamster Combat, the Open Network TON, and Notcoin, NOT. So yeah, guys. So definitely, Floki's got a lot of things going. Floki's roadmap. What's next on our agenda? And Floki says, from the get-go, we've been very clear about our goal for Floki to be the most known and most used cryptocurrency in the world. So this is the roadmap right here, guys. Let's see what it says here. Basically, Floki X Venus core market, then Floki debit cards, which they are right now. Then they want a University of Floki. They want Floki trading bots, Floki I. They want a bank. They want a V2 version 2. So yeah, guys, they got Valhalla. So they got a clear roadmap, guys. And Floki Inu, Floki, they have a big community, guys. And it's it's on the Ethereum layer 2. So it's on a good blockchain, Ethereum. So I don't see Floki getting rug pulled or going to zero, guys. Current price of Floki right now is 0.0002. Like I said, it's already moonshotted. It's done over 1,000,000%. The all-time high is at 3034, which it made in June of 2024. So it's been just moonshotting, guys. Right now it's at 2.22 billion. It's basically a $2 billion market cap. I easily see this getting to at least like a 50 billion dollar market cap. Doge and SHIB did it last cycle easily. So with seeing how bullish Floki is and with the big community it has, I still see a good 20x from the price of today. So I think it could top off somewhere it could definitely lose a zero. So it could definitely be like a 0.004. That would be like a 20x from the price of today, guys. So it could easily lose a zero and get to 0.004. That's a good 20x from the price of today. And if you bought, the Floki at lower prices, you're basically a millionaire, or you could be a millionaire here at the top of the bull run once it hits around 0.004, guys. So definitely, don't miss out on Floki, guys. Floki's doing big things, and I could easily see getting to at least like a 40-50 billion dollar market cap this top of the bull run, and it might even go higher than that. It might even get to $100 billion market cap. The sky's the limit. I don't have a crystal ball, but I could easily see it doing at least a 20x from the price of today, guys. So that would be like a 0.004 at the top of the bull run, guys. So don't miss out on Floki, guys. Now, staying on the meme coin topics, guys, it looks like Base is getting into meme coins. It looks like Maverick Protocol, which is on Base, aims to bring MemeFi to Base. So it looks like a newly launched platform dubbed Goose.Run lets user lend and borrow against meme coins. So Maverick Protocol has launched a MemeFi platform on Coinbase-based network aiming to bring decentralized finance to meme coins. Dubbed Goose.Run, the platform is intended as Base's answer to Pump.Fund, the Solana meme coin platform. In addition to matching Pump.Fund's core functionalities such as liquidity, bootstrapping for new tokens, Goose.Run also lets users lend and borrow against meme coins. So basically, everybody thinks that Base is pretty greenfield for a meme coin platform. There's certainly other folks that have tried, but none of them really got traction. But Base wants to do it. I guess Base wants to, lend and borrow against meme coins, guys. So definitely look out for this new Maverick protocol on Base. We all know that Coinbase is very popular, and Base is Ethereum layer 2, and Base is the Coinbase blockchain, guys. So this new Maverick protocol might take off like the Solana Pump.Fund took off. So look out for the Maverick protocol, guys. I think it's going to be a big deal. So yeah, look out for new coins coming out on the Maverick protocol. So definitely look out for Base, and also look out for all the Base tokens, guys, like Aerodrome Finance, Brett, the #1 meme coin right now on the Base blockchain. Look out for all the Base coins, guys. I think they're going to do really good this cycle, guys. And also the Ethereum layer 2s in general, like Base, Jasmy coin, XCN, Floki, Shiba Inu, Pepe. Don't you can't fade Ethereum. I think it's one of the chosen ones. Like I've said on my other videos, I think there are 6 chosen blockchains, and they are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, XRP, and XLM. I think those 6 blockchains are pretty much chosen by the powers that be, the governments of the world. I think those 6 blockchains are going to be around a long time. I don't think they're going to get rug pulled. I don't think they're going to zero. I think they're going to be around for a long time, and they're always going to make higher prices from now on. In every bull run. XRP and XLM got suppressed last cycle, but I think these 6 blockchains from now on are going to make higher prices every bull run. So again, my 6 chosen blockchains that are going to be around for a long time, that are not going to get rug pulled, that are going to make new higher prices every bull run are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, XRP, and XLM, guys. And so everything on those all the ecosystems of those blockchains are going to do really good too. So all the layer 2s of Ethereum, and all the meme coins of Ethereum, all the meme coins of Solana and Avalanche, all the layer 2s of Avalanche, all the games on Avalanche, all XRP and XLM with their ecosystem, with their cross-border payments. So those are the 6 chosen blockchains for me, guys, and all their ecosystems, layer 2s and meme coins, guys. So and Base is a layer 2 on Ethereum, guys. So look out for those 6 chosen blockchains and all their ecosystem, guys. All right, guys. That's my update right now. Let's go back to the crypto bubbles. See how things are going. It's the same. The biggest loser right now that I see is IOTA at 21%. Then we got the Sandbox at 18.9%, Link at 17.4%, EGLD at 18.2%. So those are the biggest users. But yeah, basically everything is down about like 15% average. Everything is down more than like 10%. Doge 11.1%, but IEVAX 13.7%. So everything is down, guys. XRP 13%. Caspa 14%. The only thing green, like I said, is Move. It's going down in price. It was at 111 and it's at 103 right now. Looks like it's making a double top at 111. What I've noticed? Most of these new coins that get listed on Coinbase or at any exchange, they do like a quick moonshot, but then they retrace. So it might not be a good time to buy right now. It might be a good. It might retrace all the way down to like 65 cents or something. If Move retraces all the way down to 65 cents or lower, if it dips lower than where it started, because it's already got a high market cap. It's got a 2.33 market cap. So that means it started, since it just came out today, in December 9th, it started like alpha at like $1 billion market cap. So that's the lowest it's ever been. So I mean, definitely, it's a high market cap to begin with, guys. So it might all the pre-sale buyers, all the early buyers who bought before they got listed on exchanges when it was on Dexes on pre-sale, they probably they're gonna sell off, guys. So it wouldn't surprise me if this thing retraces, all the way back down to 60 cents or lower, guys, because everybody's gonna take profits, guys. But you never know. It might moonshot. You never know. That's just the beauty of crypto, is that you never know. All we could do is use probabilities, guys. All right, guys. Stay bullish on the market. Don't get shaken out. Don't let the market maker shake you out. This is all this. These corrections are normal for Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies. Like I said, usually on the parabolic phase of the crypto and Bitcoin bull run, there's around 7 to 8, big corrections. So this is just one of them, guys. So don't get shaken out, guys. We're gonna see many, deep corrections from now until the top of the bull run. Just don't let them shake you out. Have conviction on your coin. Stay steady. I still think the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency rally and bull run is going to continue from now until sometime in March of 2025. I do see higher prices coming in. Now with March or April of 2025 come in, I do see a deep correction coming in for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now there I see like over a 50% or way more correction coming in for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I mean, some of your cryptocurrencies could see up to 75%, 80% corrections, guys. So we'll see what happens, guys. But stay bullish in the market right now, guys. Right now is the time to be. Right now is not the time to be bearish in the crypto market. Right now is the time to be bullish. Right now is the time to buy the dip, guys. All right, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.